Welcome. In this video we will show you how to install the Yakima 16 cubic foot CargoPack rooftop cargo bag. The CargoPack has a large storage capacity with a 100-pound max weight load and the ability to attach to either crossbars, a naked roof, or raised side rails. The CargoPack is a top-of-the-line weather-resistant bag featuring ballistic nylon construction and EVA molded panels for added structure and style. There are also handles on the front and back for easy removal from the roof. To attach the cargo bag to the crossbars, simply loop the attachment strap around your bar and take the red hook and attach it to the loop on the bag. Next, pull the strap so that it is tightly secured to the crossbar. Roll up the excess strapping and secure it to the Velcro strap. You will repeat this process on all four corners of the bag. Here we will show you how to attach the CargoPack to a naked roof. First, take one end of the naked roof strap and place it on one of the red hooks. Go around to the other side and attach the other end of the strap onto the other red hook. Now cinch the naked roof strap very tightly. Make sure that the bag is evenly spaced on the roof. With the excess strap, wrap around the hooks and use the Velcro tabs to secure it into place. Then repeat this step for the second strap. With the strap securely in place, slowly close the door and make sure it does not disrupt the weather stripping. To open the bag, lift up the overhang storm flap and unzip both zippers completely. You will now have easy access to remove all of your luggage from inside. The CargoPack has an impressive 16 cubic feet of space and measures 44 inches by 36 inches by 17 inches. Thanks for watching the installation of the Yakima Premium CargoPack Rooftop Cargo Bag. If you have any questions, feel free to call us at 1-800-272-5362 or visit us at rackwarehouse.com.